Encountering the "couldn't sign in, try again later" error in CapCut? This message usually pops up due to login, network, or server hiccups. CapCut uses your ByteDance account, often via TikTok, for login. The error appears when the app can't verify your credentials because of expired tokens, incorrect details, or server problems. A weak internet connection, firewall interference, or DNS issues can also disrupt the login process. First, restart the CapCut app. This simple step can resolve temporary glitches by refreshing the application. Next, clear the app's cache. Go to your device's settings, find CapCut in the apps list, and select Storage to clear cached data. Make sure you're using the latest version of CapCut. Check your App Store for updates and install any available patches. Verify your network connection is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to test connectivity. For advanced users, consider changing your DNS settings to Google's public DNS at 88.8.8. This can help resolve network-related login issues.